Would you like to see how I made this? Stay tuned. Hi Crafty Angels, Vanessa here for Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube. And today I'm here with a prompt style page. And my prompts are coming from Rebecca from Create with Rebecca on YouTube. So one of the prompts is flowers, animal, which I'm going to use the owl back here. Something soft, which I'm going to use my doily here. And I'm going to doodle. I'm going to use this for my sparkle. And then I'm going to use this for my marker. And we'll see how far I go, okay? So I'll put that over there. Put this to the side. We're going to get this going. So what flower do I want to work with? I think right here. Or I can put this whole piece. No, I'd have to go right here. To put it, to make it fit the flower. And that's what I'm going to do. First I'm going to take this and remove the double backing on it. All I'm doing is taking my nail and rubbing it. And then gently pull it away. Because these can easily rip. So you want to be real gentle with it. And sometimes you can get an imprint of the top napkin on the first white part. And so far, all the napkins I've worked with, I've got another imprint, a lighter imprint of the napkin. Pull it over a little. See, I'm pulling it, but I'm being really gentle with it. Sometimes when they print them, they print them where it sticks. Okay, so we got this napkin off. I'm going to save this one. You can save it to blow your nose, but I'll find something else to do with it. So, what I want to do is get this one. This flower here would be better because it's close to the edge. So all I have to do is trim here. Like right there. And it's okay if it's a little off. That's okay with me. Hey, it's handcrafted. Nothing's perfect. So I'm going to put this in my scrap bag that I have and use it for later. So I want to glue this like right here. And you see I still have some left over here. I have to trim here, here, and over here. So let's get this glued down. Okay, I got a little on my table, but that's all right. So now we're going to take this, I'm going to put it right on the edge here and just pat it down. I'm going to use my little spatula to do this. So we got that part down, and this will be posted, and I'm going to link everything that I can down below in the comments section. That part is okay. Let's get this part. This part is done. Now we're going to go for right there. And be careful when you're trimming it because it can rip because your glue is still kind of wet. So be very, very careful when trimming. This one's not to my liking, so I'm going to trim it just a tad bit more. Okay. We have that done. Now, our next one is animal. So I'm going to open this up and I'm going to pull out the owl. See, I got to kind of, oh, wait a minute. It says animal. I'm going to do a peacock right here. Like that. So we got the animal done. We can put this back in here. Next, we're going to go with sparkle and bling. Because I don't want to, I'm trying not to put too much on my page here. So we're going to do some little beads here. I'm going to put some small pearls on here. Got my pokey tool, well, my picker-upper tool. And I'm going to put some little glue dots wherever I want sparkle. Okay, whoops, wrong cap. Now, I get some pearls here. And I want them kind of small. I want the white one. Okay. Well, let's try this again. I don't understand how one side works well and the other side don't. So we got 4 pearls to go on here. This is going to be rough. It's 2. Let's see if I can find another one that's already flipped over. Nope. So I need 2 more. Here's 1. Here's 2. I mean, I could bling out the tail of the peacock, but I don't want to do that. So we have the bling. I mean, when you're doing prompts, you can do it any way you want. You can use all the prompts. You don't have to use them all. It's up to you. It's your choice. So Let's see what else. I can't doodle on here because it'll rip my um, napkin. I can't draw on it. I don't want to put purple marker on it because there's no purple in here. So we got the bling. We have the flower. And we have an animal. I think that's all I'm going to go with. Because if I put this, it won't make any sense. So, I'm going to tell y'all right now. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and comment. And if you haven't already, hit that big red subscribe button and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified of when I upload new content. And happy crafting on a budget. Happy everything on a budget. Please be safe, be kind, be caring, be blessed, be crafty, stay crafty, and I will see you all in the next video and on the flip side. Bye-bye for now.